Okay, so I am fortunate that the title of this conference, In Kraepelin's Shadow, matches the subject of my talk exactly. So today I'm going to talk about a small group of psychiatrists at Washington University in St. Louis in the American Midwest. And I will refer to Washington University as WashU. These psychiatrists explicitly affirmed that they were heirs of Kraepelin. They were research-oriented, looked to biology for answers, and were against the dominance of American psychiatry by psychoanalysis. One of the most brilliant psychiatrists of their generation, Gerald Klerman, even dubbed them neo-Kraepelinians, and the label has stuck. So these WashU psychiatrists assigned all of their residents to read the German-British psychiatrist Willy Meyer Gross's psychiatric textbook, where psychoanalysis was attacked unmercifully on the very first pages. Meyer Gross had been at the Heidelberg Psychiatric Clinic from 1918 to 1933, the same clinic that I'm sure you all know Kraepelin had directed from 1891 to 1903.